Welcome to Analytics with Nags. In this video, we're going to see about a quick trick in Power BI, that is how to reorder columns in Power BI. And another trick is choose to remove some unwanted columns in your Power BI. These two tips will make you usability of your Power BI reports easier in the sense like you have hundreds of columns, but you're using very few columns in your reports, and that will create confusion. So to remove those columns that is not used, that is the purpose of this video. How to do it? Let's see it in action. So I have this report, and I'll just show you what are the columns present here. You have a location, customer name, and you have a lot of columns. You see, sales date, sales order, all the columns. There are around 30 to 40 columns. But for my reporting, I need very few columns like location, item name, and in this report, you have item name, item amount. Only 3 columns I need. So once I have only 3 columns in place, I can do these reports, but I don't want unnecessary columns here. How to delete those? Let us see it in action. By the way, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, do subscribe this channel to get tips like this. Back to our topic. Now, I need location and item name. I need to find item name. So I'm just running fast. Where it is? It's hidden somewhere. Come on. So item name, there you go. So what I need to do is right click on it, transform, and move towards the beginning. Whatever columns you need, just move it to the beginning. Then I need item amount. That is my measure. This one also. Right click to have to the beginning. So once I have all these columns in place, so next, as you thought, we need to delete it. So right click and removing will do, and right click and shift will delete some of the columns like this, whatever I want. But I'm going to show you a quick real trick in Power BI. So whatever columns you need, select those columns. Only these 3 columns I need, and right click, remove other columns. That's the magic, guys. So you removed all other columns that is not required for your reporting. Then go to here, close and apply. Now you see a lot of columns here will be moved away and your report still exists. There you go. So I need all the columns whatever required for my reports. My report is still working. I hope you guys like this video. Please share with your friends and colleagues, whomever you feel it will be helpful. And to save your time, watch my tips and tricks videos by subscribing my channel. Do remember that data is your asset.